make a simple door alarm in simple methods. Before we get started, hit the red subscribe button and also hit the bell icon. So let's get started. So guys, today we need a cardboard, a 9V battery, wires, switch, the 9V battery connector, buzzer, cloth clip, scissors, pencil, scale, and a hot glue gun. So first, taking the 9V battery, the buzzer, some cutted wires, the connector, clip, and the switch. So now take the 9V battery and connect it to the connector. Take a red wire, connect it to the positive terminal. And take the buzzer and here to connect the positive terminal. Now take a green wire, connect it to the negative terminal. Take the switch. Take another wire. Now we need to connect this green end here to the bottom of the clip and the black end on the top of the clip. So guys, I pasted all the parts on the cardboard piece. I also pasted the wires here, and I have not pasted the battery because if the battery runs out you can exchange it. So I made a holder. It's not compulsory, but you can make it if you want to exchange the batteries often. Yeah, now we'll keep this aside. Now we need to make an insulator. So we need a cap, scissor, a small cardboard piece, and a woolen thread. Now we need to make a hole here. So let's make it. We made a hole. Now we need to take woolen thread. I'll cut it from here itself. And we need to cut it here. Now we'll insert this. I'll try to insert. Putting a hole, insert the thread here and put a knot here. So now I'll take a cardboard piece and make a hole on this also. We made a hole on this also. Now again you put this thread here and so guys, this also ready. So guys, the insulator is ready. Now we'll keep this aside and take this one. So this is the door alarm. We'll paste this on the door and this will be on the side of the door. We'll paste this cap on the side of the door and place this cardboard piece here. So when the door is pushed, the door will move forward and this will be removed, which completes the circuit, so the buzzer will buzz. I'll show you a demo in my house, so let's go. Guys, I pasted the door alarm here, so I'll call my friend inside for testing. Thank you for watching my video, guys. Please subscribe, like, and share our video, and most importantly, press the bell icon to get notifications.
Banana, ba 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 banana, oh ba 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 banana, ba ba banana, ba ba banana, とかりのポタトリカにマロマニカのティカバ